The Crow and the Hen Story. Once upon a time, there was a crow and a hen who were good friends. One day, the crow saw a farmer cooking some rice and thought of sharing it with the hen. The crow flew to the hen and said, "Dear friend, I saw some tasty rice being cooked by the farmer. Let's go and eat some." The hen replied, "That sounds nice, but we should ask first. Stealing is wrong." The crow ignored the hen's advice and flew to grab some rice. However, the farmer saw the crow and chased it away with a stick. The crow flew back to the hen, feeling embarrassed and hungry. The hen said, "You should have listened to me. Taking what isn't yours without asking is never a good idea." The crow realized its mistake and promised to act wisely in the future. Moral of the story: always think before you act and never take what doesn't belong to you. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.